Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into our energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. What y'all got going on, though? Let's go ahead and get into it. Struggling, and I see handouts. I don't know if you are the one struggling in obtaining handouts or someone else is struggling in getting handouts from you. But I'm definitely seeing an energy of Lent. Shoot, and a bitten apple. Someone ate an apple, a piece of candy, or something down there, like it's a penny. All that's just a mess. But yeah, there's an energy of struggling. Somebody that doesn't have anything to offer, possibly seeking a handout. Clarify struggling handout. What's going on with the collective regarding the struggling handout? Clarify struggling handouts. One more. Struggling handout. One more. Struggling handout. Four cards came out. We're gonna go ahead and take them at the bottom of the deck, y'all. I couldn't help but look, and it says curse, catastrophe. Like somebody tried to cause some sort of misfortune, some sort of curse or catastrophe. The first card that came out was family. That's what I'm seeing here. Family member, or maybe in regards to a family setting, a family overall, number 46. But I'm seeing the energy of you guys relaxing. Yeah, that's what it seems like. Spirit want you guys to relax. Take it easy, because I'm showing that there's an energy here where you got some trusted alliances that is operating or working on your behalf, whether you know it or not. Number 46, 69, number 8, and I'm seeing bringing something to an end, stopping something, quitting something, rejecting something is what I'm showing here. And it's almost like an energy of spirit providing some sort of awakening. But don't even, it's like energy of, here, this is what's going on, but hey, don't worry about it, don't fret, because we got this, especially when it comes to somebody that's trying to curse a family, a family setting, a family situation, trying to create or cause hate or misfortune. Some of you guys could have possibly even be married. Look, it's talking about you getting pregnant, you having children. Whoever this person is may have been someone that was a bully at one point in time in your life. They be gossiping. Okay, very embarrassing type of energy. They may be experiencing some sort of embarrassment, or they try to embarrass you, or something like that. Okay, what's going on? Okay, the car alarm just went off. Confirmation. Clarify this family. Only wanted one card and then threw two. Maybe because I shuffled two. Okay, so clarifying this family energy, I'm seeing 80, healer. So whoever you are, you could possibly be some sort of healer or something like that. Mm. Whoever you are, you possibly, your family, you could have a family background in being healers or healing. The number 8 could definitely be significant. You know, the 8 turned sideways is also the infinity symbol. But I'm definitely seeing an energy of healing and some sort of glow. Clarify relaxation. Okay. And let's go ahead and clarify this alliance energy. Clarify alliance, please, for the collective. Alliance. Okay, that was too many. I definitely seen Earth, Divine Feminine, and I seen Divinity. Somebody's about to get themselves binded, or they tried to bind you. But clarifying this relaxation, peace, and tranquility, because Spirit don't want you to be sick. Um, yeah, number 31 could definitely be significant. This could also talk about you assisted with healing someone that was sick, or assisted someone while they were sick, or something like that. And clarifying this alliance and this trust. Like I stated before, it seems like you have this protection or some sort of companion in the spirit to assist you, especially when it comes to some sort of ritual. It's like you are protected. I don't know if somebody tried to create or some sort of bondage or bind you or create some sort of stagnancy in your life. But Spirit said that has been rejected. They said absolutely not. That's not going to fly over here. We're not doing that. That's what I'm showing here. I don't know. Like I stated before, this could be a family, regarding the family. Okay. And this bondage card, in my deck, I see this the devil card. So somebody could be dealing with mental health issues, addictions, obsession, cheating, uh, anger issue. They could be freaking violent, aggressive, type of energy. And it seems like there's an energy of someone will be in this situation of struggling and needing some sort of handouts after coming up against you. Yeah, because I feel like this is someone that you may have helped. Clarifying this healer energy is the Six of Pentacles. This is someone that is like generous. I'm seeing an energy of you like helping someone. I'm seeing an energy of generosity here. Clarify this healer energy. You're possibly a very generous person. Okay. Clarify this healer. Clarify this healer. One more. Yeah, I feel like something's being returned back. All right. I feel like somebody possibly wanted you to feel trapped or confined in some sort of situation. It's what I'm seeing here. They want you in a situation where you were self-limited, but I'm showing like where you guys learned a lesson. There was an energy of you guys waiting. I don't know. Spirit was revealing something to you, and you had to learn some sort of lesson and view things from a different perspective to get yourself out of something and let it go. It's what I'm seeing here. Clarify this health concern. What's going on? Clarify health concern. Number 31. Now, clarifying this health concern, I am definitely seeing an energy of someone at a crossroads or at the crossroads. I don't know why I heard bone bones and harmony. Bone, 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 bone. Tell me what you gonna do. Ain't nowhere to run. Judgment come for you when judgment come for you. I don't know why I heard that. But I'm definitely seeing a decision that needs to be made, or a decision had been made, or something like that. And it seems like somebody that is sick tries to create or make some sort of new beginning, create some sort of bond, a new relationship with you while they're on their deathbed or sick or something like that. Someone could possibly have air in their chart, strong Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Didn't I say some sort of apology or something like that? Trying to make something right with you. Clarify this ritual. Clarify ritual. Clarify ritual. So again, this struggling and this lack, it doesn't necessarily have to be physical. This could be them as spirit, being sick, withered. And clarifying this ritual, I'm definitely seeing a lot of choices, a lot of options. Hmm. That's what I'm seeing here. Like this person had a lot of choices, a lot of options. I'm seeing multiple opportunities. Is what I'm seeing here. And we have the sun card out here. I'm seeing with the sun card, there's an energy of positivity. There's an energy of good luck here, you guys. The sun also illuminates and reveal things that are hidden that you may not even see. There's an energy of openness and truth being revealed regarding the past or someone that you have children with or something like that, but it's definitely coming off nostalgic, and I'm seeing a lot of conflict, and I'm seeing backstabbing energy. That's what I'm seeing here. A lot of conflict happening behind your back, clashing, ego, hate, aggression, malicious. And I'm seeing them betraying you, backstabbing you, them coming out as enemies, bitter people that are watching, observing. These are the energies that you had to overcome with this Knight of Wands. There's an energy of you learning some sort of lesson, learn from the past, learn from some sort of failures. That's what I'm seeing here. As you embark upon a new beginning, we got the Six of Swords and the Ace of Pentacles out here. As you embark upon a new beginning, there's energy being moved to calmer waters and you obtaining some sort of new financial beginning after making some sort of choice. Anything else but a collector. Yeah. And I'm seeing like there's an energy of people that tried to hold on to you, that thought that they can control you or possess you. And if you didn't comply in the physical, they wanted to go to let's do some magic on you. Look what came out. They want to do some magic on you to make you comply. We're speaking to a divine feminine energy, a matriarch. Look, karmic justice is on your side. There's an energy of like when people mess with you, they get karma quickly and you get to move on free. Okay? With this Three of Wands, you get to move on free, move forward. Yeah, your energy is coming out as the star. Okay? You're a healer. There's an energy of you having practice spirituality or something like that. I feel like this person juggling, somebody juggling finances, emotionally. But I'm seeing that whoever this person is trying to resist change. trying to avoid some sort of tragedy. But I am definitely seeing energy of them being overwhelmed, overloaded. I'm seeing energy of stress, problems, possibly feeling like the weight is on their shoulder as you are obtaining some sort of fulfillment. Because spirit withdraw or stop something. Yeah, protection. There's an energy of you being protected. Not only that, it seems like you guys have some boundaries set too. There's energy of you maintaining some sort of control, having some sort of standards. All right. And I'm seeing an energy of you guys persevering. It may not have been when you wanted to, but I'm seeing things moving slowly or have been moving slowly because of these people or this person. Spirit had you go through some sort of soul searching. You might even had to detox, not just simply detox. You might have went through a fast or need to do a fast to obtain. It's like an energy of you obtaining inner guidance, but the energy of you guys spending a lot of time to yourself so that things that are hidden be revealed. I'm seeing somebody secretly in a nine of swords. They might be in front of everybody else laughing and joking, being the funniest person in the room. The whole time behind closed door, they experience a lot of negativity, regret, remorse, anxiety. The most high is on that ass. Yep, the most high is here. That's what I'm saying here. This could be a fire sign. Aries could be significant. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. They said that's the truth. They said that's the truth. Anything else? This could have been someone that you teamed up with, collaborate with, work with, broke bread with. All right, this person self-sacrificed himself. That was energy of self-sabotage. Spirit separated you from whoever this person is and causing some sort of ending. Somebody's about to go through a total transformation, a death and a rebirth. It's the energy of some things being stripped away. Is what I'm showing here. All right. People that like being stripped away. Yeah, this was someone that you possibly in a connection with because the Queen of Wands came out. And this person possibly was entertaining other people as well and, getting other people to do other things. All right. If they possibly even hire someone to do some magic on you. This could be a father figure. This could be a feminine app operating out of masculine energy. But we got the temperance angel out here bringing balance to a situation. Anything else for the collective? Look, you coming out as the high priestess. It seems like spirit revealed a lot of mysteries to you. You already knew something was going on, and it's just providing you spiritual insight as you continue to move forward. Is what I'm seeing here. Because you guys are definitely moving forward towards a new beginning of good luck, of prosperity, of abundance. I'm seeing this was already fated. Has already been written. They can't stop you. They gambled when it came to you. Look, your new beginning is wealth. Ten of Pentacles. You guys getting ready to receive a large windfall. I'm seeing you guys coming out in this strength card. All right. Y'all be strong. Y'all might drop to your knees, but I'm seeing you guys moving on. There's an energy of you abandoning plans, walking away, moving. There's an energy of withdrawal. Is what I'm seeing here. Yeah, I'm definitely. This could be you abandoning family, but abandoning some sort of relationship, abandoning. You get what I'm saying? I can't even say the word abandoning some sort of family relationship or something like that. Someone that you possibly live with, something that you have manifested. Look, this is again. There's an energy of a magician out here. This could also talk about this magic that somebody did to try to curse you, that they tried to cause some sort of misfortune as you continue to move forward. That in the end, the victory is yours. You have the advantage in the end. There's an energy of you guys winning. I'm seeing you stepping into this energy of security, and they try to stop that. They try to steal from you, and you still obtain this good news, especially when it comes to a solid beginning in earthly matters. Is what I'm seeing here. This is definitely talking about an increase for you guys. While somebody else is going to be struggling looking for a handout, you're about to obtain some sort of increase. Look, there they go, left out in the cold. Bad luck. Feeling like the world up against them, experience of hardship, bad luck, and homelessness, poverty and unemployment. Look, loss, grief, sadness. All right, mourning. They can't doing stuff that they can't take back. They shouldn't have did it. They should never did it. They should never did it. That's what the jealousy and envy will do to you. You get what I'm saying? That's why it's one of it's the deadly sin. It get you all messed up because you don't know who you're doing it to. So they over there grieving because you over here single, abundant, prosperous. Nine of Pentacles, success, financially stable. That's what I'm seeing here. And somebody is like in anxiety, stressed, feeling overwhelmed, a lot of mental activity going on, trying to figure out how they're going to pay these bills. There's no rest for whoever this wicked person is. Now they have to deal with what they need to deal with. How they going to get themselves out of whatever situation they're in. Again, this is an energy of somebody might even end up in the hospital or have end up in the hospital or something like that. is what I'm seeing here. And someone just can't sleep because they got a lot going on. But the cycle has already been closed with you. I'm seeing a successful completion here. There is an ending of a situation where spirit feel like they successfully got you out of something that you weren't supposed to be in. And there is an energy of you guys feeling whole. There's an energy of completion, and you possibly feeling having this sense of belonging. You probably felt unhappy, felt left out in the cold. You might experience a whole lot with this person, but it's the end. It's the end.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love, please hold